Ever been stuck with a PDF that you desperately need to edit, but it feels like cracking a safe? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you a super simple way to convert your PDF to a fully editable Word document in just a few clicks. And yes, it's completely free. So, stick around to unlock this life-changing hack. And let's get started. As you can see, this is a PDF file that we're going to convert. Now, to start, on your computer, search for Microsoft Word. Click Open, then open icon again. Next, Browse. Now, look for your files and click on it to attach, followed by tapping on the Open button. And that's it. Converting a PDF to Word has never been this easy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.